Every day, millions of people swallow a promise in a pill. The promise of firmer, younger skin. But what if that promise is empty? Stop chasing collagen supplements that your body can't even absorb. In 2026, the science of longevity has pointed us back to two ancient leaves that do something no cream can. They repair your skin at the DNA level. Welcome back to GlowRoot Rituals. I'm your host, and today, we're not just unlocking a ritual, we're dismantling a dogma. The dogma that aging must be fought by adding something from the outside. We're going to uncover the green alchemy, a philosophy that teaches us to activate the power from within. Let's start with some radical honesty. The multi-billion-dollar beauty industry is built on a fundamental misunderstanding of collagen. Collagen is the protein scaffold of our skin. That's true. And its production declines over time. That's also true. The solution: drink or apply more collagen. This is where the story falls apart. Think of a collagen molecule as an intricate pearl necklace. When you ingest it, your digestive system doesn't see it as a necklace for the skin. It sees it as a source of protein. Your stomach acid and enzymes, like molecular scissors, snip that necklace into its individual pearls, the amino acids. Your intelligent body will then send these amino acids to where the emergency is greatest. Are your joints aching? Do your muscles need repair after a workout? That's where those pearls will be used. Your skin is last on your body's survival priority list. So, very little, if any, is actually used to rebuild collagen in your face. Collagen creams are even more futile. Imagine trying to fit a basketball through a keyhole. That's what's happening. The collagen molecule is simply too large, often over 300,000 Daltons, to penetrate the stratum corneum, our skin's protective outer layer. It just sits on the surface, providing a temporary moisturizing effect, and then washes down the drain. So, if we can't force it from the outside, how do we fix it from the inside? The answer is in epigenetics, the science of how our lifestyle and environment can switch certain genes on or off. We don't need to add collagen. We need to tell our genes to start producing it again. This is where our two ancient leaves take center stage. This isn't magic, it's biochemistry. First, Moringa oleifera, the tree of life. This leaf is a nutritional powerhouse. It contains over 90 nutrients, including a rare compound called zeatin, is a cytokinin, a supergrowth plant hormone. In the human body, it acts as a powerful cellular regulator, helping to speed up cell turnover and prevent cellular aging. Plus, its 46 antioxidants, like quercetin and camphorol, act like cellular firefighters, extinguishing the low-grade chronic inflammation that is the root of premature aging. Then, we have ceremonial grade. Forget regular green tea! Because it's shade-grown, the matcha leaf is forced to overproduce chlorophyll and amino acids. The most important of these are L-theanine and EGCG, or epigallocatechin. EGCG is nature's most potent antioxidant, clinically proven to repair UV-induced DNA damage. But L-theanine is the unsung hero. It crosses the blood-brain barrier, boosting alpha waves in the brain to create a state of calm alertness. This directly lowers levels of cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down collagen. It's the combination of L-theanine and EGCG that creates the bioavailability spike, helping the body absorb and utilize the nutrients from the moringa exponentially. Now, let's put this into practice. To activate the green alchemy, precision is everything. This is a ritual, not just a recipe. Step 1. Ingredient selection. Your moringa should be organic and a dull olive green, not bright green, which may indicate additives. For matcha, look for ceremonial grade from Uji, Kyoto, Japan. It should be a vibrant, electric green, not yellowish or brown. This indicates high L-theanine content. Step 2. The sacred ratio. Use measuring spoons. 1 level teaspoon of organic moringa powder, half a level teaspoon of ceremonial grade matcha. This 2-to-1 ratio is crucial for nutritional synergy without an overly bitter taste. Step 3. Water temperature. This is non-negotiable. Use water that is exactly 80 degrees Celsius or 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Boiling water will scorch the delicate catechins in the matcha, turning this medicinal drink into mere bitter green water. Use a temperature-controlled kettle or boil the water and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 4. The whisk. Pour a small amount of the hot water over the powders in your cup and mix into a thick paste. This breaks up any clumps. Then, add the rest of the water, about 200 milliliters or 7 ounces total, and whisk vigorously in a W or M motion with a bamboo whisk, a chasan, or a milk fruit. This aerates the tea, releasing its aroma and making it more bioavailable. Step 5. The timing. Drink this at 10 a.m. At this time, your natural cortisol levels are beginning to dip. Introducing L-theanine at this moment helps suppress a midday stress spike, keeping your body in an anabolic or building state rather than a catabolic or breaking down state. This is not an overnight fix. This is an investment in your biology. Week 1. You may not see much on your skin yet, but you will feel it. The mental clarity from the L-theanine will be palpable. Your energy will be stable, without the jitters of coffee. Week 2. This is where the skin magic begins. You'll look in the mirror and notice your skin looks more hydrated from within. It will feel denser to the touch. This is the first sign your collagen matrix is strengthening. Weeks 3 and 4. The changes become obvious. Redness from inflammation starts to subside. Dark under-eye circles may appear reduced as microcirculation improves. You will get the GlowRoot glow, a radiance that comes from cellular health, not from a highlighter. And the benefits don't stop at the skin. Your immune system will be supported by the vitamin C from your gut health will improve thanks to the prebiotic nature of the tea's polyphenols. You're not just fixing your skin, you're upgrading your entire system. All this time we've been looking for the answer in bottles and jars, when the real answer was inside our own cells, waiting to be activated. The green alchemy is more than a morning drink. It's a declaration that you are choosing to work with your body, not against it. Consistency is the only secret. Make this your non-negotiable morning ritual. Are you ready to begin your green alchemy journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Are you skeptical? Are you excited? I want to hear it all. And don't forget to subscribe to GlowRoot Rituals for more deep dive rituals that master your nature. I'll see you this Saturday. Until then, stay glowing from within.